Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website, an easy guide for anyone looking to establish an online presence. We'll start by understanding the core components, then move through the practical steps. You'll learn how to choose the right foundation, design your site, and add powerful features. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to build a professional and functional website ready to share with your audience. It's simpler than you might think, and we'll cover everything you need to know. Getting your website online begins with two crucial steps: securing hosting and registering a domain name. Think of hosting as the land where your website lives, and the domain name as its unique address. Many providers offer plans starting from just a few dollars per month, often including a free domain for the first year. It's important to choose a host known for reliability and good customer support. Once these are set up, installing WordPress is usually a one-click process, taking less than 5 minutes. With WordPress installed, it's time to bring your vision to life through themes and content. Themes dictate your website's entire look and feel, with thousands of free and premium options available. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to perfectly match your brand. Next, focus on creating engaging content for your pages and posts. Craft compelling text, upload high-quality images, and embed videos. Organizing your content with categories and tags will also help visitors navigate your site effortlessly, enhancing their experience. Finally, let's enhance your website's functionality with plugins and prepare for launch. Plugins are like apps for your WordPress site, adding features for security, search engine optimization, and performance. There are over 60,000 free plugins available, so choose wisely. After installing essential plugins, configure your site's general settings, including permalinks and privacy policies. Thoroughly test everything across various devices to ensure a smooth user experience. Once you're confident, hit that launch button and share your new WordPress website with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.